Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Holub. I hope you're having a wonderful Friday today. We will compare digital timers, analog clock, and stand timers. So, first of all, why is it important? Why is it important that we know how to tell time? What does that mean, even? Think about that for a minute. You've heard that, right? Like, oh, we're going to be late, right? It's not time to go yet. When you have your schedule at home, you're following, oh, it's time for morning meeting, right? You hear that word a lot. So give yourself some think time. I've got my thinking cap on. Actually, it's my shield, my thinking shield. All righty, start thinking. All righty. So what did you come up with? Share it with your friend or your family member. Now we're going to take a look at this read aloud. It's about time. Wake up time, a great big stretch. Time for school, hurry up. Or if we're at remote, we're at home, right? You can just go to school in your PJs. Pretty cool. Time to learn and play. See the clock right here? That's an analog clock. Time with all of my friends. Now it's time to go back home. Noontime, it's time for lunch. Noontime is another way to say 12 o'clock. Story time, my favorite time. Then for me, it's quiet time. Soon it's time to jump and run. Time to swing up high. See, that's the digital time below. So the analog clock and the digital. Help out time. Oh, look, he's helping out. That's so kind. I do my best. Oh, he's kind of getting some stuff on the floor. Dinner time. Oh, yuck, it's peas. Bath time, but I'm not dirty. Bedtime next, but I'm not sleepy. How many of you ever have to go to bed and you're not tired? A monster friend would keep me safe. It's midnight now. Here he is. Is that real or not real? Not real, right? My monster brought a lot of friends. Party time, they shout. And we're going to go ahead and stop there. So there were some examples of what time was used for, weren't there? Right? There were some examples. So let's go back to what we're doing today. We will compare digital timers, and I have a picture for you right here. And then we will compare analog clock, which is right here. And then we will compare sand timers, which is right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the digital time. It says one. This means 1 minute. Okay, so I was not supposed to click that. All right, let's start over. So if you don't have an analog clock in your house, I have included this website. So you go on this website and then you click this little check button and it says real time. Okay, so we're going to do that right now. The real time is 10 o'clock in the morning. And as soon as it gets to 10:01, I'm going to press this button and the sand timer is going to go. And we're going to compare if the sand timer is the same as the analog clock when 1 minute comes around. All right, here we go. We're going to wait for it. And go. Okay, so we see the sand. We see the analog clock. It's still 10:01. Let's see if all the sand runs out. What's your prediction? When it gets to 10:02, which would be 1 minute, is all the sand going to run out? If you think so, give me a head nod. Let's see. Let's see if you're correct. Oh, it's getting close. So is it half full? Is it more than half full? Ooh, 10 more seconds. I'm going to count it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And did we do it? We did it. Kiss your brain. Kiss your heart. Now you're going to get to do this at home. So if you have an actual sand timer, then you could just use a 1-minute sand timer, or I've included this website in the assignment and you could practice then. And then let's think about it. When we read that book, did you get some ideas why time is important? You guys, okay, go ahead and share it. Yeah, this is helpful in our life, so we will be able to tell time, so we can know when things start and when they end, so we're not late or tardy, right? So we can, because you're going to miss something, right, if we're not on time. Awesome. Thanks for joining me, class, and you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. And since it's Friday, have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.